Hey everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens quad break number 72 of 13-14 UD Ultimate. The last and ending break was Dim Sum Oilers on September 21st at 6:33 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. To our current day and time. Click refresh. It's currently Tuesday, September 22nd at 12:50 a.m. Eastern Time. And for anybody that hasn't registered on our break page, really appreciate you did. We have a few breaks listed for Wednesday, and then we do have some cup team selects posted on our website there. We are live on Breakers TV here as per normal to do our breaks. Break number 72. And our serial numbers tonight are NE2211608356049083 0830 and 9503. Serial number is 0835 6049 0830, although it's backwards, and 9503. Shrink wrap on the boxes. And we'll get started. Breakers here again. The first inner of the Premier was very solid. Very good inner case of Premier. 0835. So hoping the second half is going to be another good one. And then 13-14 cup, and then on to 14-15 cup right after. So here we go, guys. So we start the break off with a Alex Steen, number 211, $4.99, going out to the St. Louis Blues. Next one is a Ultimate Rookie of Carl Soderberg, number 227, $4.99, Boston Bruins. And there's our next hit. It's going out to the LA Kings. We have a Ultimate Rookie autograph of Tyler Toffoli, $292, $2.99. Going out to LA. And a Valerie Nichushkin Ultimate Rookie jersey going out to the Dallas Stars. Valerie Nichushkin. On to box number 2. 6049. Feels like a patch. And it is something thick, so good luck, guys. So we have a base card of Tuukka Rask, number 82, $4.99, going to the Boston Bruins. Hey, Thomas. Our next one is a Ultimate Rookie of Zach Redmond, number 347, $4.99, going to the Winnipeg Jets. Zach Redmond. I'll just save the Overstock Redemption for last. Next one is a Ultimate Dual Jersey of Luc Robitaille, going to the LA Kings. Lucky Luke, it's going to be a lucky box. And our thick stock card is for a Ultimate Collection Rookie Auto Patch, number 225, Ryan Murray, going out to the Columbus Blue Jackets. So whoever has the Blue Jackets, we can eBay message the code if you like. Ryan Murray. So nice hit there for Columbus. 0830 is box number 2. Looking at Upper Deck's Cup checklist, it didn't seem like they showed any shield for 14-15. That seems like it's going to be like all updates and stuff like that. So here we go. So box 3, we got Jaromir Jagr, 346, 499 for the New Jersey Devils. Next one is a Ultimate Rookie of JT Miller, 431, 499 to the Rangers. Next one is going out to the Colorado Avalanche. We have a Ultimate Signatures Veteran version of Gabriel Landeskog. To Colorado, and a Ultimate Rookie Dual Jersey of Sean Monahan, 2 colors, going out to the Calgary Flames. Yeah, but they need to restructure the way they do the shields, though. I'll be honest about that. 9503. They need more independent shields instead of all the duals and stuff like that. Sure, it's nice though. We got another potential patch. We got another thick stock here. Oh, it's super shiny. So good luck, guys. So we got base card of Ron Francis, 154, 499, going out to the Hartford Whalers, which relocated to Arizona, or to Carolina. They relocate to Carolina. I don't even know my hockey teams. Ron Francis, so this is going up to the Hurricanes. And our next one is the Ultimate Rookie of Dylan McIlrath, Ultimate Rookie, 93, 499 for the Rangers. And our next one is a Ultimate Signature Masterpiece Auto of Zach Parise, going on to the Minnesota Wild. Zach Parise. Let's turn that over just because you want to see his mugshot. So it is Minnesota with Zach. And finish the break off with a Ultimate Rookie Dual Jersey of Alex Chason for the Dallas Stars. Not a too bad of a break. 2 potential case hit candidates out already. Nice auto patch for the Columbus Blue Jackets. So tomorrow we got quad 13-14 Ultimate again, and boxes 7 and 8 of UD Premier out of the master case.